How to filter notifications using Focus on your iPhone. To get started, open the Settings app and tap Focus. Next, choose the focus mode you want to customize, such as Do Not Disturb, Work, Personal, or any custom focus. Under the Allowed Notifications section, tap People. Here you can choose which contacts are allowed to send you notifications while this focus mode is active. You can also silence notifications from specific people if you prefer. Go back, then tap Apps. Select the apps you want to allow notifications from while using this focus mode. Any apps that aren't allowed will have their notifications silenced until focus mode is turned off. Once you've finished customizing your notification settings, simply go back. Your changes are saved automatically. Now, whenever you enable this focus mode, your iPhone will filter notifications based on the people and apps you've selected, helping you stay focused and reduce distractions. And that's it. You've successfully filtered notifications using focus mode on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.